Giving good gifts by transforming a shadow box into a personalized gift for my mom. My first attempt was unplanned and too much going on. I painted dandelion blossoms on the glass using Posca markers, but I was having trouble envisioning a background. So using my Canva Pro account, I uploaded an image of my progress and I erased the background using the background remover feature. And I was able to scroll through all of the background possibilities that Canva Pro has, but I only show a few here. So I'm able to envision something a little bit closer to what my mom would like. I also looked at some of the fonts. I'm considering adding a phrase or a quote. I think there's plenty of room up in the upper left-hand corner of the picture. I settled on this last example here. I grabbed some poster board, painted the skyline using light blue and some yellow for the sun. However, I wanted it to, like in the example, have a golden hue to it. So I grabbed my iridescent paint and some deep gold acrylic paint I mixed together with some water and applied it here to a roller instead of painting it on, because I didn't want to cover up the image. I just wanted to create a hue like rays of sunshine. So I took the roller and I applied it to some parchment paper, and then from there I transferred it over to the poster board. And I repeated this step until I had pretty good coverage over the whole thing. This here is probably like the 10th time I did it. As you can see, it has a nice iridescent hue to it. And the poster board itself does too, except there in the upper left corner, which I'm finishing up here. And once this is done, it's going to go over to my mom's place and in her sunroom. She has a one-bedroom apartment upstairs and has a sunroom that has windows on almost every side. And she's going to start fixing it up. And I think this will look really pretty on there. You can see right here the sheen on it. This is really pretty. At this point, I'm happy with it, so I'm going to finish up framing it, add a little phrase or a quote of some sort. Thank you for watching. Until next time, God bless.